Want to capture your screen like a pro for free? Let's walk you through OBS Studio step by step, even if you're a total beginner. I'll also show you how to automatically turn long recordings into shareable social clips with Vizard later on. First, go download OBS from the official website, avoiding any random builds. OBS is completely free and open source, which is why so many creators start here. You can record screens, stream live, capture video calls, and it works on every major operating system. Forget watermarks, time limits, or annoying monthly fees. If you need fine-tuned control over your capture, OBS offers professional options at no cost. Install OBS just like any other program on your computer. When you first open it, the Auto Configuration Wizard is a fantastic shortcut to get started quickly. You must choose if you are optimizing for streaming or for recording your screen. For this guide, select Optimize just for recording, since we can always adjust it later. The wizard will then ask about your canvas resolution, which is like setting your initial digital canvas size. Generally, just leave this set to your main monitor's resolution. For high-motion content like gaming or animation, I highly suggest aiming for 60 frames per second. If you are only making static tutorials, 30 FPS is perfectly fine and less demanding on your computer. Let OBS run its quick performance test to apply the best initial settings. After setup, you will see the main OBS interface, which looks complex but is easy to learn. Think of scenes as different layouts or setups you can instantly switch between. OBS creates a default scene, so right-click it and rename it something clear like screen recording. Now you need to add a source to that scene, which tells OBS what content to actually capture. For capturing your entire desktop, select the Reliable Display Capture option. Make sure to choose the correct monitor from the drop-down list if you have more than one. A common mistake creates an annoying infinite mirror loop in the preview window. To fix this, either capture a second monitor or simply minimize the OBS window before recording. Remember to enable Capture Cursor if you want your mouse movements to appear in the final video. To record your voice, you need to add a microphone source using Audio Input Capture. Select your specific USB or headset microphone from the device list. Look at the audio mixer to confirm you see green volume bars moving when you speak. You can also capture computer sounds like game audio or music by adding an audio output capture source. Now your recording will successfully include both your voice and any sound coming from your computer. Before recording, save your settings by navigating to File, then Settings, and finally the Output tab. Here you set the location where all your finished video files will be saved. For maximum safety against crashes, set the recording format to MKV, which is recoverable. MP4 is more compatible, but can corrupt if the program suddenly closes. If you have a modern graphics card, choose a hardware encoder like NVENC for better system performance. Then head to the Video tab to confirm your base resolution matches your screen. Adjust the output resolution down if you need smaller file sizes or less strain on your machine. Make sure the FPS setting here matches the frame rate you decided on earlier. Click Apply and OK, and you are ready to capture some content. Use the large Start Recording button in the control panel when you are ready to begin. You can minimize OBS and work normally. There is even a pause button for quick breaks. When finished, hit Stop Recording and find your files under File, Show Recordings. For a quick picture-in-picture webcam view, add a video capture device source and drag it into a corner. Using hotkeys is essential for starting and stopping recordings without switching windows during a capture. Seriously consider adding audio filters like compression to dramatically clean up your microphone quality. If you did record in the safe MKV format, OBS can convert it to MP4 later using the Remux recordings tool. Now for the part most creators skip, turning hours of footage into quick, viewable social clips. Manual editing in professional software can be incredibly time-consuming just to find the best moments. This is where using an AI tool like Vizard becomes an absolute game-changer for your workflow. It intelligently finds the viral-worthy highlights, so you don't have to spend hours scrubbing timelines. The ideal combination I recommend is using OBS for reliable, free capture, paired with Vizard for effortless post-production. Other powerful editors require significant skill and dedicated time for this simple task. Vizard automates the clip selection, formats content for every platform, and manages the posting schedule. This frees you up from the repetitive daily upload grind. Premiere Pro offers ultimate control, but at the cost of much more manual editing effort. DaVinci Resolve is powerful, but you still need to manually hunt down and export those key moments. Vizard fits perfectly by automating the hardest part, finding the viral gold within your long recordings. A great bonus is that Vizard can directly import your safe MKV files, handling the conversion for you automatically. So here is the quick recap. First, use OBS for your rock-solid and flexible screen capture. Next, ensure your scenes include display capture, mic, and system audio sources, while choosing safe formats like MKV. Then utilize hotkeys and audio filters to streamline your recording process for cleaner results. Finally, feed those long files into Vizard to automatically create and schedule your short, engaging social content. If this setup guide helped you master OBS today, please hit the like button and subscribe for more workflow tips. If you are curious about cutting out hours of editing time, definitely check out Vizard to automate your clip creation. Congratulations! You are now set up to record professional screen captures like an absolute pro.